Okay guys, so in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can automatically rewrite and create your own content from other existing and high optimized content with just copy and paste. With this software I'm about to share with you, all you just need to do is just first find a good content that works well and is high optimized, copy the content, paste it in that software I'm about to show you, then wait for a few seconds. It will generate your own unique version of the content, then you can use it anywhere. So this works everywhere. You can use it to generate content for your blogs. Even if you are an affiliate marketer, you can use it to generate content to market your product. Remember, all you just need to do is to what? Find a good content, copy and paste. With this tool, you can even be the next big copywriter. So before we move on, please subscribe to this channel, smash the notification button so as to get notified when I release new video. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video and comment if you have a question. So let's dive straight into my browser. Okay guys, so here we are in my browser and this is the website we'll be using for the rewriting today. So the name of the website is spinboot.com. I will leave the link, the URL to this website in the description below. So you see this website, so you have to chill for it to load. It has tons and tons and tons of AdSense, so you have to wait. That is where they get their money. The website is totally free to use. You don't even need to sign up. So now you see, enter your text, then you swap the aperture. You just click I'm not a robot, then you click on go. It will help you generate your text here. So now, like I said earlier, you need to get your content. So where do you get your content? Now, for you to write everything, let's say you are now an affiliate marketer, then you have the keyword already. Maybe you are selling something concerning dentistry. So your keyword is dentistry. So you need to find the best content on Google that talks about dentistry, then you will paste it here. So how do you find the keyword and the best content? You can come to this website, this SEO tool, which is called Mongoose. I will leave the link to this website in the description below, and I will also leave the link to the tutorial of how to use this website in the description below. So you can come to this place to check the best performing websites in that your keyword. Then you go to the website, then pick their content and bring it to this place and paste it here. So let's say I'm looking for the best content on dentistry. Let me say dentistry. Okay. Yeah, so according to Google, these are the best contents on dentistry. You say Wikipedia. So let's choose this second one. So all you just need to go, just click through to the website. The website is loading already. Okay, it's loading already. Okay guys, so the website has loaded already. So all you just need to do is to copy their content. Okay, copy every of their content. So for this sake of this tutorial, I'll copy to this extent. Okay, copy, then go back to spinboot.com. Okay, this is spinboot.com. Then you will paste it in this place where it says enter text to rewrite. You will paste it in here, paste your text here, the text you have actually copied, paste it here. Wow, so I was unable to copy it. Let me go and copy it again. Okay, let me copy it. Okay, copy, go back to Spinboot. Okay, Okay, so we have our content already. So the next thing is to you see, spin capital letters, or if you want to spin capital letters, you see, you don't have to spin the capital letters because this website see the capital letters as your main keyword. So you don't have to spin it, but if you want to spin it, you can click on spin capitalize word, then you click on I am not a robot. You solve the captcha. Okay guys, so the captcha has loaded. So if you want to remove the captcha and ads, you have to click on this button. It will take you to the premium version. So after this, all you just need to do is click on go. Okay, see, your version has been generated for you. So this is your unique content, this is your version of the content. So this is your component. All you just need to do is to copy it, then you can paste it anywhere you want to paste it. So that is the end of the tutorial for today. So if you need mangoes, which is the keyword planner, and then the URL tracker, check the link in the description below. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.